Welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this math tutorial video, we will solve and obtain the value of x using the Lambert W function. So now let's dive into it. So the question is 2 raised to the power of x plus x is equal to 5. Now the first thing we do is to move x to the right hand side. So we have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 5 minus x. Now at this point we can divide the equation by 2 raised to the power of x. So if we do that, 2 raised to the power of x, we cancel out 2 raised to the power of x. So in our left hand side we are left with 1 equal to 5 minus x divided by 2 raised to the power of x. Now, the right hand side can also be expressed as 1 equal to 5 minus x, or enclosed in a bracket, multiply by 2 raised to the power of negative x. When this 2 moves over here, it becomes negative x. So we can write that this is 1 is equal to minus x plus 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of negative x. Now, we want the expression inside the bracket to be equal to the index of 2. So to achieve that, we multiply the equation by 2 raised to the power of 5. So if we multiply the equation by 2 raised to the power of 5, we have that 1 times 2 raised to the power of 5 will be equal to minus x plus 5 multiply by 2 raised to the power of negative x times 2 raised to the power of 5. So this becomes 2 raised to the power of 5 equal to minus x plus 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of negative x plus 5. Now you can see that the coefficient of 2 is equal to the index of 2. But for us to use the Lambert W function, we must have an expression that takes this form: x multiplied by e raised to the power of x, so that when we apply the function, our result will be equal to x. So on that note, we have to express the right hand side of the equation to take this form. Recall that 2 is equal to e raised to the power of ln 2. Now, if we apply this expression in our right hand side, so this equation becomes 2 raised to the power of 5 equal to minus x plus 5 closed up in a bracket multiply by e raised to the power of ln 2 minus x plus 5. Now we can rearrange the right hand side, so we have that 2 raised to the power of 5 is equal to minus x plus 5 multiply by e raised to the power of minus x plus 5, or multiply by ln 2. But recall that our equation must take this form. That is, the coefficient of e must be equal to the index of e. Now at this point, the coefficient of e is minus x plus 5, for the index of e is minus x plus 5 multiplied by ln 2. So therefore, we multiply this equation by ln 2. So if we multiply by ln 2, we have that this becomes ln 2 raised to the power of 5 is equal to minus x plus 5 multiplied by ln 2 multiplied by e raised to the power of minus x plus 5 multiplied by lane 2. Now at this point, the coefficient of E is now equal to the index of E. Thus, we can now apply the Lambert W function. So we have that this becomes W, open bracket, lane. Now, 2 to the power 5 is 32, close the bracket, equal to W, open your bracket. So we have minus X plus 5 multiplied by lane 2 multiplied by E raised to the power of minus X plus 5 multiplied by lane 2. So we close up our bracket. Now we have that W, open your bracket, lane 32 is equal to, now the right hand side of the equation will reduce to minus X plus 5 or multiply by lane 2. Now we can divide both sides of the equation by lane 2. So we have that lane 2 can cancel out lane 2. So we can write the equation to become minus X plus 5 equal to W lane 32 all divided by lane 2. Now we can have that minus X is equal to W lane 32 minus 5 divided by lane 2. So therefore X is equal to 5 minus W lane 32 divided by lane 2. So at this point, we have been able to obtain the value of X. So you can leave your answer like this if you wish to, but to obtain the approximate value of X, we use a calculator that supports the product log function. So therefore, X is equal to 1.71502 and so on. So this is the value of X we obtain when we use a calculator that supports the product log function. Now let us check if our value is correct. So we have it that 2 raised to the power of X plus X is equal to 5. Now this becomes 2 raised to the power of 1.71502 plus 1.71502 is equal to 5. So since we are trying to check, let's put a question mark here. So if you simplify the left hand side, we have that this is 4.99803, which is approximately equal to 5. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.